People of India
Yeah.
are very, 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 very different from the people of the rest of the world. You know, you can't deny this fact.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how advanced we are. हम कितनी developed country है. I think we're the number one developing country.
One of the top ones.
Top
fastest developing country.
Fastest developing country.
Fastest.
Yeah. So
But not
even despite that fact, we are stuck at so many points. You know.
But it's a huge country.
Yeah,
Just to
absolutely.
take
It's
that
a
in all
huge company.
consideration. And then again, it is, some of the divides that happened like ages ago,
Yeah.
they are still here.
Yeah.
Like we were just discussing the other day about the class system.
Yeah.
And then again, like the states, some states are still fighting about their languages.
Yeah.
There is no one common language.
That's
They say English is a common language, but some states just don't want to admit it.
yeah.
They wanna
Which is
keep to their roots.
absolutely fine.
They
Which
want
is
to keep to their roots,
yeah.
which is absolutely fine. But
Yeah.
then again, all that diversity under one roof, and
makes it
obviously
very
it's gonna
difficult.
be- yeah,
It makes it very, very difficult. But you see, you're calling yourself as a developing country. You, as you said, maximum population of our country is youth. Everyone is being educated. Everyone is getting aware about such things. Then what's the problem?
so the youth is listening to it.
The youth is definitely listening
Are
to
you
it.
saying that
but-
there are
but-
no people there's no participation from the youth in such
There are so many. There are so many.
discrimination?
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm saying there are so many topics still in the country that people think. Let's just say about the reservation.
Yeah.
Okay, people are saying that reservation is a bad thing now, but if you think
Eggshells, bro, eggshells.
if you think about the torture that these low caste people have been through for the past thousands of years, thousands and thousands of years, they've been considered as untouchables, unwanted. They've been kept aside of the society for thousands of years, and just because for the past 70 odd years they've had reservations, and now even after having the reservations, they haven't enjoyed what they're supposed to enjoy.
You know why?
You know.
You know why?
Yeah.
I had this discussion with someone, and I think I had a bit of it with you as well.
Yeah.
The thing is, the people who have reservations,
Yeah.
see, reservations were kept for poor people
Yeah.
in the first place.
Yeah.
And like B.R. Ambedkar had that idea that
Yeah.
I'll give it to poor people and
The
people
underprivileged
and the
ones.
underprivileged people,
Underprivileged
yeah,
ones,
who don't have all these luxuries to send their kids to schools and colleges and all that. So he wanted it for them. Then some people got the other things in it,
Yeah.
like it was, I think, for OBCs or STs. It was for
S-
one thing.
SC,
SCs or STs. It was one. And the other castes also and the tribes also got in it.
Yeah.
And when that happened, like I might be wrong. People can comment on, enlighten me. Like I'm up for educating
There
myself.
are many castes who are being included in it who obviously don't need it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Everyone
what I
can
was
see
coming
it.
for. You've heard my discussion and
Yeah.
argument. That's why I'm cutting it short.
Everyone
The
can
thing
see
is, yeah.
it. The thing is,
Should I complete it once?
yeah, sure.
So there are a lot of castes that don't need it. They are privileged. They are living very good lifestyles. They're normal. Like they are normal. They are middle class people.
Yeah.
Okay. They don't need that privilege, and they're still getting those reservations,
Yeah.
which is messing up the people who actually need it.
Yeah.
The very lower of the lower classes who actually need it, who are living on paycheck to paycheck. Like it's a very American thing to say, but
What
it is what it is.
paycheck?
Even that is not filling
Like
their houses.
daily wages, guy.
Daily wages, exactly. So those guys are not getting what they fought for or what they've been through, their ancestors have been through. But then again, see, I can also make a naive statement by saying you cannot have equality if you have reservations.
See, that's
That's a very
I said naive.
Yeah.
But yeah, if we just let's think once from the reserve categories point of view. Even now, calling someone Bhangi Chamar is like gali in the society right now. Okay, you call someone bhangi, don't get offended. I'm just talking. You call someone bhangi. People don't say bhangi as in the caste. They say it as a gali.
They have a little tone and
Yeah.
arrogance about
They say bhangi lag raha hai. What do you mean by bhangi lag raha hai? What is the definition of tu bhangi lag
That's
raha
the
hai?
thing,
Tu
because
chamar lag raha hai.
You
You should. That
Why?
is the same thing. What happened in America? Black and whites.
Yeah,
It's the
exactly.
same thing. It's just
Yeah, the
India mein
N-word
color
is
wala
actually.
scene.
Do you know the origin of the N-word?
It's Negroes, I think. It was the black man, or the
The
people who
pla-
came
the-
from
Yeah, the Nigeria.
yeah, I
from
think it
some
was
place
called
it was-
Negar or something.
Yeah.
I'm not sure exactly.
Yeah, and
Could be
after
something
that,
else.
the white people
They made it. Yeah,
they made it as
so.
a,
They made it like an insult.
Their delivery was so
Yeah,
abusive
Yeah.
in that manner.
People used to call themselves proudly,
Yeah.
I'm a Negro
Yeah.
or something
Yeah.
like that. Like, I'm not too sure about the history again.
No,
If it is wrong, correct me.
Yeah.
But I think that was it, and they
Yeah.
took it in a very prideful way, ke Negro.
Yeah.
And then the white men who were the masters in those cases, they called them in such a manner, in a very demeaning manner,
Yeah.
and that's why the term became so volatile.
Yeah.
And when the black people revolted and took their this word back from them and made it such a important word of hip hop culture, the whole culture, the pop
Yeah.
culture, all of it.
Even the whole black community, they
Yeah,
made it.
when they took it back and they dissolved the power of it, because they say it the more than anyone.
They're like
the black
if
people
they
say
say for each other is some sort of respect that they have, but if
Yeah.
someone else is calling them, that's an
Yeah.
offending thing.
Exactly.
See, that's what we're talking about. If these people have been suffering for thousands of years, you can't just take 100. Even it's not even been 100 years for reservation, right? Independence 70 years or something. 70 सालों में भी अभी वो लोग नहीं हुए हैं यार, ऊपर नहीं आ पाए हैं. They're not on the same level. अच्छा ठीक है, रिजर्वेशन एक टाइम को अगर हटा भी देना तो दोबारा उनकी सिचुएशन वही कर देंगे लोग.
वो पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
And but you know what's the worst thing that I feel?
Yeah.
What's the worst thing that I feel? Most of the SCs, they're doing jobs like कूड़ा उठाने आते हैं. All these people. I feel very good that person is doing something so pure and something so good for the community, because if today the SC community अगर आज वो बोल देना हम कूड़ा नहीं उठाएंगे, कूड़े का काम, I want to see which community stands up and says हम ये काम करेंगे.
Yeah.
They're doing something so good. They're keeping the society clean, man.
Yeah.
Come on, you have to show respect to them. What do you mean by तू भंगी लग रहा है? What is the definition of तू भंगी लग रहा है? And अगर वो racism में भी होता है ना, चलता, they use it as a गाली.
Yeah.
Okay, they use it as a गाली. I have so many friends. I have so many SC friends. The amount of love that their mothers give me, so beautiful. I have so many friends, like when I used to play cricket with them, जितना हमारा रूम है ना, उनसे भी छोटा उनका पूरा घर है, and they are like 5 to 6 people living there. And I go there and they show me a lot of respect, a lot of love. Her mom, she sits with me and she's like, how are you? How's family? That unconditional love you can see in their eyes. I'm not saying like there are a lot of people that are misusing the given opportunities, but यार वो छोटी छोटी पोस्टें मिली हैं उनको अभी, ठीक है, रिजर्वेशन की वजह से उन्हें छोटी छोटी पोस्टें मिली हैं. उस छोटी छोटी पोस्ट अगर वो देन पीपल आस्क तुमने समाज के लिए क्या किया? समाज ने उनके लिए क्या किया है हजारों सालों से? कुछ नहीं किया ना, उनको पिछड़ा हुआ छोड़ ही दिया ना. देन पहले वो अपने आप को तो ठीक कर ले, फिर समाज पे आएंगे ना. अपनी यार if suppose, and that's very untrue that every guy that deserves reservation is getting the reservation. That is very untrue.
Actually,
I have friends that made fake SC/ST certificates and they get into colleges and all.
These are
general guys.
General guys. Yeah.
और फिर कहते हैं कि ये
The
काम कहाँ से आएगा?
और
तुम
यार,
तो खराब कर रहे हो.
let's be honest about it. The SC/ST class, I think out of 100% is only 40, or I would say maximum
Not
40,
even.
50% that are actually going towards education. And those government opportunities, the rest are being occupied by the general.
And you know why there are they have formed many cultures where
Yeah.
they live. Could be like those communities where they live. They have you heard of this phrase where it's a bucket of crabs. If one tries to get out,
Yeah,
all of them
Yeah,
fall
all of
in
them
back.
fall.
pull him back. Yeah.
They have created such a culture. Like if a person wants to go join a government office or wants to go study more
Yeah.
or wants to get out of that place, they berate him. They take him down.
They-
This incident just happened like a year or two back. What happened was there was this IAS who was SC. So he was transferred. In his place, a Brahmin IAS came, I think, or some general guy in his office. So उससे पहले उसने वहाँ पे like he made them do a havan and all that Ganga Jal.
Because
Yeah.
the previous one
One
was
was-
is the underprivileged, the lower caste people. I don't call them lower caste people. Everyone is a human. See,
yeah. I was just gonna say that. I was
everyone
just
is a
gonna say
human. Everybody.
Well,
You
you know,
cut
this
me,
thing
you
is-
cut them. It's the same. We have
that. Exactly.
You know, it's
They
just
do a cool
yeah.
बता कौन सा किसका cool है.
Yeah, I think the society should. I think the people who are educated, everyone who is watching us, you need to stop this. Stop asking people what religion you're from, what caste you're from. Everyone is human. Stop looking from that point of view. Everything is going to change in your life. Yeah, trust me.
Obviously.
You change. Like we have lived with a lot of Pakistanis.
Yeah.
You know, we were
Yeah.
talking earlier. We've lived with a lot of Pakistanis. I think when I was in England, मेरे इंडियन दोस्त मेरे इतने काम नहीं आए जितने मेरे पाकिस्तानी दोस्त मेरे काम आए.
Dude, not even
It's too
Pakistan,
bad.
not even just Pakistan. It was like the community was so tight knit. All the South Asian countries, be it Bangladesh, be it Sri Lanka, be it I've had there was this friend of mine. She was from Sri Lanka. She helped me a lot. And then again, the Pakistani roommate I was talking about, he used to tell me things about Quran, and I used to literally sit down and listen to him. Like it was no whitewashing happening, no brainwash. Ke he's trying to convert me or something. Nothing of those sorts. It was so pure,
It's so
and
cool.
I would just love to just sit and listen to whatever he had to say. He used to tell me all the stories
Yeah.
about what
And
was
it's so
similar
much,
with
and it's so much fun, right?
Christianity and
Being with especially Pakistani people I'm talking about, it's so much fun because everything we have is almost same.
yeah, exactly.
Everything we have is
Same
almost
concept,
same.
yeah.
And like so many times it used to be like, मैंने राजमा चावल, suppose I've made राजमा चावल, and that guy used to, I'm eating normally. This guy comes, प्याज काट के आया वो, ठीक है, प्याज के ऊपर चाट मसाला नींबू डाल के आया, मिर्चे लेके आया, मिर्चे प्याज उसमें अंदर वो नमक में लगा के is eating. That reminded me, हम भी तो करते हैं. Then I started eating like that too.
Yeah,
Okay, and I used to eat like that back in the day. So many things.
it was just coming back. It
Yeah.
feels so good, like so close to home.
Exactly. I remember we used to watch India Pakistan match together. Match mein he's sitting there, I'm sitting there. Afridi got out. I'm like, come on, Afridi is out. Virat Suresh Raina got out. Yeah, and he's like coming to me. Yeah, तेरा 2 out हो गए. ये है वो है. Match finishes. हाँ मेरी जान इधर आ जा. मेरा भाई, अच्छा खाना कौन बनाएगा? भाई मैं प्याज काटूंगा, तू खाना बना दे. Everything was normal. It's just the barriers between us, the government barriers and all.
It was all political, bro.
It's
all
always
political.
political.
It's always political, but shout out to everyone from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Anyone watches.
Seriously, man.
All
Seriously.
love, man. All love. If we, all of us, if we want, we can close these barriers.
Yeah.
And
And if you're one of those people who just listens to the word Pakistan and they
Start
click off
hating.
or like
Yeah.
start commenting that these guys are sold out or like Pakistani ye wo, something like that.
sold out.
Yeah. Or
वही
whatever.
जाना
Or
वही यहाँ जो है
Or like they
वही
like,
चला जा,
वही चला जा,
वही चला
like
जा.
they write abuses and shit.
Yeah.
Go do this to whatever. So for those
पाकिस्तानी है
people,
तू पाकिस्तानी एंटी नेशनल
exactly.
Not पांचों उंगली एक जैसी नहीं होती यार. सबका अपना अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था. हर इंसान एक जैसा
सुनो
नहीं है.
पहले पूरी बात और उसके बारे में तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं लगे तो यार छोड़ दो. हमें जस्ट प्रीचिंग पीस.
वो तेरे बोलने से थोड़ी होगा यार जो जिसे सुनना है वो आराम
वो
से सुनता है
जिसको सुनना है
जिसे नहीं सुनना वो नहीं सुनता तेरे बोलने के बाद भी नहीं सुनता वो बात ये तो लिखी हुई है पहले से
और जो जिसको नहीं सुनना उसको मैं जितना कोशिश करूंगा वो और नहीं सुनेगा.
हाँ फिर
अब
तू बताएगा
मुझे एक फीलिंग आ रही है. अब लोगों को शायद पता नहीं चलेगा मैं आर्टिस्ट हूँ.
Exactly. मुझे काफी देर से आ रही थी. मुझे काफी देर से आ रही
एक तो कभी बात से इलेक्ट्रिक को कर लेते काफी हमने बताई नहीं एक मिनट चल वो तो पहले वाली तो ठीक थी परफॉर्मिंग वगैरह सब सही था उसमें अपना म्यूजिकल इनपुट जा रहा था
Okay, let's get back to
Yeah, dude, you
Yes.
performed in X Factor, and
Yeah.
we've already told the audience that there
सारा
are
American
restrictions.
Sorry, sir.
कैनल चलने देना तो करना पड़ेगा.
Everything we've told the audience that there are restrictions when you're performing in UK, like for artists and for sports people as well. You cannot be a professional on a student visa, and of course after that you've met you're a very good friends with Zeus. He's like
Yeah.
he's like your godfather.
Yeah. Like I met. Basically, to be very honest, I went to England searching for that guy,
Wow,
Dr. Zeus.
I didn't
I
know.
was a huge fan since the age of, I think, 14 or 15. I was 14, 15. I was.
Dr. Zeus Tesora.
Dr. Zeus, yeah. They're always
कितने
together.
गड्डी मोड़ा.
Always together. Yeah. So I used to listen to his tracks, and by that time I didn't know who Zeus was. To be very honest,
Okay.
everyone has heard that song of Bachta Tha Bachpan Mein. I got to know it like couple of years back that it's a song from Zeus.
Damn.
Yeah, and then everyone knows Sangra Tera Nahi. Come on.
Yeah, of
Everyone
course.
knows. That's still a fresh song.
The moment you said everyone knows that song, I first went to Ganga
Ganga
Tera.
Tera.
Uske baad you were like, I know this one too.
Yeah, I didn't know. Back in the day when I was a kid, I used to watch Kangra Tera Nahi ki video. ITV पहले
Yeah,
को आता था.
yeah.
ITV
Used
Kangra
to
Tera
call
Nahi ki
them,
video. Yeah,
put
call
the
them.
number,
Yeah. I used to
select
call
the
them.
song on the TV.
Yeah. And I used to watch that video, and I used to love the song. I didn't know who Zeus was. I didn't know who Shorty was. There used to be a big fat.
Yeah,
guy
I think it's
used to
called
be
as
there.
Apache.
No. The Apache Indian is not in there. It's just a little cameo that guy does in the movie, and there's a security guard. Then the security guard is very strict in the starting, and then by the end of the song, he's
Yeah,
he's moving.
Bopping with the
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I used to love that concept and all. Then that Don't Be Shama, that
Yeah.
song. And then I think it was Amrinder Gill's album, that song. "Tu Juda Ho Yo." That song, yeah, that song got stuck into my mind, and I was like, not because of the lyrics, the music.
Yeah.
The music was so refreshing, and I was like,
And it
okay.
went so well with the words, of course.
Yeah. And then I heard Amrinder Gill की एक और गा रहा है. There was लाइए जे आलिया फिर ला. That song I heard.
Dude, you have to sing for us, just
Yeah,
by the way.
I will.
Yeah.
And then I got to know, I was searching, what is the music? I got to know this name, Dr. Zeus. I was like, bro, I want to listen to his song. And then I heard his tracks like the one the other Dhol.
So you went down the rabbit hole.
Yeah,
Every track.
I heard his album Under the Influence, and I heard his another album Back Under the Influence, and
Under the Influence is the name of the album, just
Album.
by the way.
yeah,
But
Dr.
he was not
Zeus.
drunk or like on hard drugs while listening to that.
Yeah,
Just
By the way,
putting that out
kids,
there. Just
don't
putting
do
it out
drugs.
there.
but then an album drops in 2012. Bilal Said,
Yeah.
Parasite song.
That
It
was
was
such
remix.
a smash hit. And you know, and I remember the sort. I saw his interviews, Bilal Saeed's, of
Yeah.
course, and he had like he had learned music from a lot of people and like old school music,
Yeah.
and those elements that he put in his music, they were so refreshing,
Yeah, absolutely.
and the words and everything went so like I don't have words.
But
for
not
it.
to forget about that fact that Bilal Saeed had first released Barasal in Pakistan, okay?
Yeah.
And it did well for him. But it didn't blow up too much. Then he was
But
called
then-
to England.
Yeah.
And then Zeus did his entire album. Even the original version of Khair Mandi, if you might have heard, listen to the original version of Khair Mandi, is almost EDM back in 2012 when people were not even aware about EDM and all. It's got an EDM vibe to it, rap vibe to it. Khair Mandi,
when it was not in the movie.
yeah. The original version of Khair Mandi, then there's Bara Sal, then there's. I started listening, I started following this guy. The first thing I used to do when I wake up in the morning is listen to Dr. Zeus's songs,
Okay.
you know. And
So like you're the Eminem to his Dr. Dre.
no. I was just a die-hard fan. I'm still a die-hard fan of that guy. Me and my mom, we used to listen to his song. We used to sit down and discuss. कि मम्मी Zeus के साथ एक गाना करना है कभी. कितने पैसे लेंगे मुझसे? Like my mom we used to discuss these things. यार Dr. Zeus कितने पैसे ले लेंगे हमसे? And I used to cry almost every day listening to his songs, and because I was diehard fan. I've just admired three people in my life, like a diehard fan. First was Michael Jackson, second was Chris Brown, then that was Dr. Seuss. Apart from these people, I don't give two shits about anyone. Like I'm not a diehard
I have
fan.
a very quick question.
Yeah.
You told me you have these three
Yeah.
people that you follow, like you're like die-hard fan.
Yeah.
How does it feel? It's a very pressy question,
Yeah.
like कैसा लग रहा है? But how does it feel to be compared to Michael Jackson, Chris Brown, and then having Dr. Zeus as your godfather? Like, how does it feel?
Bro, I don't see most
These three people that you admire in life, and like you connected, now you're said in the same sentence with all these.
I don't have words for that. You know, when someone compares me with Michael Jackson, first of all, I'm like, I'm not on that level.
Yeah,
Okay.
shut up.
Let's
bro.
be- let's
You
be-
don't know shit.
Yeah, let's be honest about it. I'm not. I can never be on that level. That guy was something else. No one ever can be Michael Jackson again. Chris Brown, as you can see, I follow Chris Brown in everything. You know, I follow him from head to toe. I love that guy so much. Zeus is now he's a very good friend. He's like a big brother. He's like a mentor. He's like my godfather. And you know, having him around, I know just someone looking after me. You know, because it's such a complex music industry. Even we haven't done anything yet. Like we haven't worked yet on any project, but just inshallah, kabhi ho.
Yeah.
Paji, sun rahe ho to.
Definitely. Yeah.
So if when just the thought of him being beside me, I know he got my back. I know that for sure.
You can go to
Even-
battle with this man.
I can leave the world for this man. You know, my personal relationship with him. At first it was just professional because I just wanted to work with him. Then I got to know him. Okay, I've known him very personally for the past 4 years. I've known him now, and he's a very close friend of mine. Someone I can share my heart with. Not just the musical things. I can share my family. If I have any issues, I can go and talk to him. Even same with Zora Bhaiya, like Zora Randhawa.
Zeus Tezera.
Even Zora Bhaiya is been like taught me a lot. Like this was actually when I was in Mumbai. This was actually the first time that I actually spent a lot of time with Zora Bhaiya. Apart from that, I just met him couple of hours. Yeah, we were
Yeah.
together at the gigs and all. But this was the first time when I actually spent time with him, and then I got to know what kind of a such an inspirational person he is, such a positive human being he is. He taught me so much as a human. I learned, and what's the best thing I admire about both these people is they don't have any ego, they don't have any attitude. You know, you look at Zeus and you look at Zora Bhaiya and you think like, you go into self-analysis. They don't have even a bit of attitude, man. I simply adore and admire this thing about both of them. They're such human.
Those are
Humble
very
human
childish
beings.
things, I think.
What?
Having an ego and attitude about.
See, I think for someone to be extraordinarily talented, you need
They
some
need to
attitude.
have some, yeah.
Some attitude.
That
you
is a
do.
very. I actually am writing something on it.
Yeah.
It might be out soon. So
Okay.
let's see.
Inshallah.
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 But yeah, I get. Okay, we'll have a little discussion on that later.
You do need a bit of that
Mm.
extraordinary attitude and all. When I say attitude, I mean like the way they
Convince
treat
themselves.
they
Other
yeah.
people
the way
Who
they
are-
treat
who
other people.
are
Like
not
I've seen Zeus treating the driver, even the maid working in the house, even the makeup artist. Oh, he's
But those
so,
are good manners, man.
bro. He's one hell of a person. I've gained a lot of respect for him, even more after watching these things. You know, I remember earlier this year in February we were in Chandigarh. He had a show there, so I was with him. He got mobbed inside the car. No, not even in the car. I'll tell you, we were coming back from a radio interview. Leave the mall part, and there were kids like char bande the scooty pe.
Yeah.
They were following our car. इतनी दूर तक. He was so conscious about that. He actually stopped the car and took selfies with them because they wanted photos with them.
Yeah.
Photos with zoos. Stopped the car. He took photos with them, and then he told them, "Aram se chalao, go safely." You know, not every artist does that. And there's some charm about him. There's zoos ko dekh ke na, you look at him and like, yeah, he's a celebrity. You know, there's some charm about him, and what a humble person he is. He's such a beautiful soul, man.
Humbleness is the new sexy.
Yeah.
And I want to ask you about a little story. I've heard you opened for Imran Khan.
I was gonna.
You were gonna.
Yeah, I was
My
gonna.
bad.
Yeah, but that luckily didn't happen.
But
Yeah.
you ended
Yeah.
up performing for him.
No, like I ended up performing for him, as in like we were supposed to like actually my ex-manager he had organized his show in Birmingham. Imran Khan ka show at Gana at the President Holi.
Can we talk about
Yeah, we're talking about it. So Imran Khan had a show in Birmingham.
Yeah.
So my manager asked me, like, we both spoke to each other. I was like, I told him I want to perform to you, and he said like, okay, you have open a friend. So there were star attractions later on, like DJ House was there, H-Dami was there, Imran Khan was obviously the limelight. Due to some issues, I couldn't perform. But then later on, I met him downstairs in the chilling room where he was chilling before the performance. And I sang for him there, and he was very happy.
Let's just say that.
Yeah, let's just talk about that. He was very happy. He was very even surprised. Like, and he gave me a lot of confidence. He said like, you're very talented. You're a very talented kid, and you know you should keep doing whatever you're doing. So that was a good time. It was fun meeting him. Good person. Yeah.
Okay. Just by the way, we're not kidding. It's a very true story.
Yeah.
And,
I have evidences. Video dekho.
we'll
I
chew that
sang
later.
Bewafa for him. His song I sang.
On like literally, he's sitting right there and he's like start singing Bewafa.
Yeah, I was singing Bewafa for him.
So
So yeah, actually, for our audience,
Bewafa-
can you
Bewafa.
anything?
anything.
There's this song that I'm very addicted to by Amy Virk, हाथ चूमे. उसकी लाइनें हैं एंड की जो कहीं ना किसी को फील हो जाती है. Like
हर किसी को दिल आता है वो गाना.
नहीं वो नहीं जाननी वांगू प्यार उस तो जाहिर नहीं होना पैसे वाला तो होने पर वो शायर नहीं होना. That line is very beautiful. जानी वांगू प्यार उस तो जाहिर नहीं होना पैसे वाला ता होना पर वो शायर नहीं होना ओ देना ले ली तू मैं मौत ना ले लूं फेरे ओने मत्था चुमया पहला आया हाथ चुमे तेरे. That's a very beautiful song. Shout out to Johnny and Deepak and Emily. It's a beautiful song it is.
Can you sing 2 lines from Aisas? Do you remember?
Yeah, of course I remember. That's my first song, man.
The one he was telling us
Yeah.
about the school.
This song actually blew up a lot in my school, and people still. I have friends from my school. They still call me Mr. Ehsas. I'm gonna sing the most favorite lines that of myself. It's like, देखो तुझे तो लगे मेरी हर खुशी तेरी ही जो ना सोचूं तुझे तो लगे मैं हूँ ही नहीं क्यों ये नमी आँखों से मेरी जाती नहीं क्या करूँ पाना चाहूँ उसे जो मेरा होके है भी नहीं. I'll start getting emotional and all if I sing more.
Yeah, I think same would
Let's-
happen over
let's-
there.
यार दिल पे लग गया दिल.
तेरे अल्फाज मेरे दिल से दर्द नहीं समझा, तुम्हें समझा मेरा दर्द नहीं आता।
समझ गए एक दूसरे का दर्द।
ये तो आया हम
Music connects us, man. Like
Yeah.
we've all been through those highs and lows. Obviously, एहसास हमें इंसान बनाता
will always be a beautiful part of my life, man. Yes, yes. So it was a very pure song that I wrote. You know, I didn't feel like now when I write songs, I write songs like I take a scenario, I maybe fictional, and I think about that, and then I start writing.
You
Those
have
were
a
the
whole process behind
yeah,
it.
there's a whole
But that
process
was
of
a very
writing.
innocent time.
Yeah,
I think.
I think yeah, it
Yeah.
was indeed a very innocent time. You
Yeah.
know, I wasn't gonna write for
Anything. You were
label.
just writing for yourself.
yeah, I was just writing my heart out. You
Yeah.
know, and now I still write my heart out, but I don't publish them.
Yeah.
I don't even intend to publish them.
That's
because-
how the purity comes.
Yeah.
I think.
No, I should publish them, but the thing is, like, the kind of music that I do, I personally, the kind of music that I love, it's not. No, I won't say people don't
Appreciate
understand.
that.
Yeah, it's not appreciated also, but the people won't be able to understand. It will take time. Like, you know, like trap. Now people know, अच्छा भैया trap क्या होती है? Trap beat ये होती है, उसमें एक बड़ा sexy drop होता है. बस people know about this. Okay. EDM people know is only electronic, dik chick, dik chick, dik chick, dik chick. You can dance to this. Okay, that's it. But going into, like, my genre is R&B, pop. You know, people say R&B गाने सुनते हैं सारा गाना same लगता है. It does sound like the same, but you understand the emotion of every song is very different. The lyrics of the song is very different. The composition and all might be same. You can say the same way classical गाने सारे same लगते हैं. Okay, same way is R&B. Now you can't say
People are
कि
hating on the comments.
yeah, people are
Seriously.
hating on the comment. You need to यार थोड़ा सा खुद भी study करना चाहिए. You know, to understand and to appreciate. People say, like, to be very frank, I write whatever I feel. उसमें बहुत सारी गालियाँ भी होती है मेरे गानों में. लेकिन लोग बोलते हैं
किसी ने कहा है कि
गालियाँ.
clean up your songs.
Yeah.
Has anyone?
Yeah.
How many people?
So many people, including my mom. But people need to understand.
That's
गालियाँ
what
गालियाँ गालियाँ क्या होती है? गालियाँ क्या है? It's a part of our vocabulary. Okay, it's a part of our society.
Dude, this is something we can again start a very big conversation.
Conversation,
Or
but
like technique,
let's not
yeah.
go into it.
Yeah, let's not go into
Like
it. This
Raftar in the latest song that we were talking
is,
about.
yeah.
Like, he did a song for Manto. He said कि क्यों है cool, गलत क्यों है? You know, people say swearing in English is very cool.
Yeah.
You know, you can say you can, you know, even we
Again,
can,
a very
if-
big topic, bro.
yeah, we can start swearing those words that people are not even aware about in India. Like, let's give them a word.
Hmm.
They don't even know what a is. I know. We can
Do you?
start. Do you know what a is? Yeah, he's of course. Yeah, he's the co-host. Yeah.
You don't get with me.
Yeah.
I obviously know you.
No, people are not aware. Because they are not aware, they get away. You know, I don't want to take any names
That's-
again. But I'll say the
We
song.
will post a name here.
Yeah.
He meant this guy.
There's a song, like, the guy says, मैं हूँ Snoop Dogg, पीछे तेरी बिल्ली क्यों? Converted into English. I'm after you. Yeah. So he got away.
Who was? Okay. Obviously, you're not naming.
Yeah,
names.
we're not naming. Even there's a very good song like "बड़ मेरी हो, बड़ मित्रा दी होर, बड़ मेरी हो." People are
And got away with
got
it.
away with it. He said whore and he said a hoe. Okay, he said
And-
2 words. Come on.
And he was laughing when this goddess gave
Yeah.
a smashing hit.
Yeah, and it was Asia's biggest hit.
Yeah.
Everyone knows brown run. We're talking about brown run. बड़ मित्रा दी होर, I'm in मित्रा दी हो, तू भी टिड्डा टिड्डा तक के सानू, तो तेरा
yo.
तू हाथ कर
Tabaru
मैं तेरा प्यो. Yes,
Got
he got away
Yeah.
with that, you know, and
Copyright infringement. ये गाना करने वाला है.
beep कर देंगे हम, beep कर देंगे. So that's the kind of
बीच
things
में एक
people-
वर्ड हर लाइन में बीप करते जाएंगे.
हाँ.
कौन सा
But
गाना?
it's fair use, bro. We're commenting on it.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
we have 2 lawyers over here.
We have to cut.
Yeah,
this
so
now. We have to cut this for sure now.
we have
One
No
lawyer.
lawyers, no lawyers.
Yeah.
We have
No
two
talk.
Yo,
lawyers.
they know
हम
about
बोल देंगे
them,
पीछे से
हाँ?
पीछे से बोल देंगे पूर्व में बैठे हैं दो तीन
हाँ,
पूर्व
we have
में
two
बैठे
lawyers.
We have two lawyers. One is behind. One guy is behind. So these are the kind of things that you get away with, and I have a song. It's still on my channel. It's called Haramzadi.
Oh,
Yeah,
why haven't I heard it?
yeah. It's a very beautiful song that I wrote.
Seems
and-
like
yeah, it's a very beautiful song. But people are hating on it. People didn't. ज़्यादा लोगों ने देखा भी नहीं because the title itself is very offending. You know, and they don't see if a girl calls a guy haramzadi, whatever
It's
she
fine.
wants to, it's fine. Calling a girl haramzadi,
Double
not
standards.
not always the girls are right. Okay, I just wrote a song for her. Like it was a scenario that I made up based on my friends. I have so many friends that've been heartbroken where the girls have been bitches to them, using them and then vanish. And so I wrote this song. मेरे दिमाग में बस we were just sitting, we were chilling someday with my friends, and I just said this line. थी मेरी दीवानी वो हरामजादी. ठीक है, बस ये लाइन है ना सबके दिमाग में चिपक गई. थी मेरी दीवानी वो हरामजादी. Okay, then after that I sat down. I was like, bro, this is a catchy line. This is a good line. I wrote, थी मेरी दीवानी वो हरामजादी, जितनी थी उससे जुड़ी सारी यादें मिटा दी. मैं खो गया हूँ गुम
I
हो
have
गया.
to listen to the song.
It's a one hell of a song. Trust
Yeah.
me. That's personally one of my favorite songs that I've ever written. Because the lyrics, in the last part of the lyrics, they're very deep, very very deep. He says like, I say, कौन बेवफा तू, फिर सजा मुझको क्यों, माना थोड़ा सरफिरा हूँ पर प्यार मेरा था तू, ऊंची उड़ती पतंग था मैं पर तू निकली कच्चा मांझा, हालात ऐसे है लिख रहा हूँ तेरे लिए वाल रूलिंग गांजा, सोचता नहीं था कुछ कहने से पहले पर आजकल पल पल सोचता हूँ, कड़वी मेरी बातें क्योंकि बातें मेरी सच, ये ना सोचो कि मैं तुझे कोसता हूँ, गरजेंगे जब बरसेंगे बादल. दिस इज वेयर पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. जब बादल गरजते हैं तो यू फील रोमांटिक, यू मिस योर एक्स. ठीक है, तो उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ये चीज है. गरजेंगे जब बरसेंगे बादल तो याद तेरी बहुत आएगी, फिर सोचता हूँ गरजेंगे जब बरसेंगे बादल तो याद तेरी बहुत आएगी, फिर सोचता हूँ सब पल दो पल का है कभी तो धूप आएगी. Very
But
good
kids,
stuff.
don't
Yeah.
do drugs.
Yeah. Don't
This
get
ganja
into
rolling,
drugs.
bro.
Yeah. It's just a very good rhyme. Manja ganja. Okay, we're not promoting anything.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
Not generalizing, but
yeah.
I'll just stop it there.
Generalize.
But I am.
Yeah, but I am. Okay, so
Alright.
that's it, man. But people they started hating. Yeah, they started saying like, oh no, this is a bad topic you're talking
Yeah.
about. How can you
Dude,
call a girl
it's,
around? Exactly.
exactly.
This and that.
People cringe. People cringe when you like talk about women in that manner.
Yeah.
It's
It's not good. I personally I know it's not good talking about a woman in that context. But you can't take away the fact that is some
You
of it
can't-
is reality.
exactly. You can't
No.
take away the dialogue itself.
Yeah.
If it's rude, okay, but it's not targeted to a certain person.
Yes.
It's a general thing.
Yeah.
If guys mess up, girls mess up too.
Yeah.
It's a
absolutely.
reality.
And in these days, it's पहले लड़के कुत्ते होते थे. Now the girls are turning to be, the bad
It's equal.
ones.
It's equal, bro.
Yeah.
It's equal. Like
Like-
a lot of places, men are still considered as dogs, which is
Yeah.
actually a loyal animal. But women,
कुत्ते को क्यों बदनाम करते
women also do that kind of shit.
Yeah,
man.
they do,
And,
absolutely.
actually, on a more because women are emotionally very strong.
Yeah.
Because shuru se hi they are trained in these things with the society that we have. And boys are, they get away with a lot of shit. At least when they're young.
That doesn't mean that boys are not emotional, man.
But
Boys-
no, I'm saying they are
Emotionally
emotionally strong.
Strong.
Oh,
They know how
emotionally strong.
to control their emotions
Yeah,
and
yeah.
how to put them out how to channel them out in a positive sense or
True.
in whatever sense they want it to be. But guys do not learn that as soon as girls do.
Yeah.
And that is why when a guy gets heartbroken at, like, say for example 16 to 24, around this age, when he gets heartbroken, he's like everything is gone, everything is dark, everything is this and that.
You're always taught to be very strong, you know.
Exactly.
लड़के नहीं रोएंगे,
Yeah.
you're not
Those
gonna cry.
butch attitudes that we're supposed to have, and when that thing happens, we just lose ourselves,
Yeah.
a lot of us. And what women, they don't go such drastic things because since childhood they've been trained in these sort of things. And maybe I'm using the word trained, it could be wrong, but
No, but
yeah.
they are kind of trained, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
They are
Like,
being
this-
taught the same thing
yeah.
over and over again.
They are I'm, for the lack of a better word, I'm using trained, but it's like socially they are, this is one of my favorite words, but I'm forgetting it right now.
So-
Conditioned. They are socially conditioned to be stronger in emotional senses, and when they are, and these drastic breakups, that for guys they are so drastic, for women they're not so drastic because they have been conditioned so much, or they show it in a manner, they cry it out in the first few months. They take their time and they cry it out. What guys do, they go into they deny it.
Yeah.
For the longest time they try to deny it, and you know, like, I'll get into my work, I'll become a workaholic, I'll do this, I'll do that,
Yeah.
I'll do everything and not think about it.
Not thinking about
So
it. But they're
they-
thinking about it constantly.
Yeah, in the back of their head,
Yeah,
which
in
is
the back of
fucking everything up.
Yeah.
Like, whatever they're doing,
They
it's messing
fucks
it up.
Yeah.
And so they don't know how to manage this. They don't know how to get over this properly. And when they don't do that, after a couple of months, they just crash.
Yeah.
They go down, they're crying all the time, they're listening to sad songs and everything.
पूरी playlist होती है.
Yeah.
पूरी
And-
playlist होती है.
Exactly. और जब ये moment आया, तब तक लड़की का सारा, she has recovered
Yeah,
properly,
she's
and
moved
now
on.
she's moved on to another guy. And that thing pinches the guy even more.
Yeah.
If he sees a picture of her with a guy, oh my days!
Let's not talk about it
Right.
anymore.
Yeah. We'll
अपने को मन करना अकेला.
बहुत
So we have a little segment left for you. It's a little surprise. Can I have your phone for a second? Unlock it, please. So this little segment is called.
What are those?
What are those?
So what are you gonna do is
So we go to your profile,
Yeah,
your
Instagram.
Yeah.
and
and
we
you're gonna
find
go through your
at
posts.
least embarrassing pictures,
Okay.
or maybe pictures that we find interesting and we want to know what's
You
the
know,
story behind it.
You know what?
Yeah.
I've deleted all my embarrassing pictures.
You're such an ass.
Right,
Did you
before
tell
coming-
him? Did you tell him? Like,
Before coming-
was this disclosed? Was this secret disclosed?
I deleted all my embarrassing shit, whatever I did in the past, you know, I deleted each and everything from
What an
Instagram.
ass. Now we don't have a segment anymore. Sing for us.
No, my,
No, we will find something. We'll find something. We're
Something
very creative
interesting.
people. Yeah.
something interesting.
Come on, bro. You have to help me out. Okay, what is this? You said you have deleted it.
No, I've deleted all. Trust me, there were some really bad ones. There were some really bad ones. It's
There
just my
must be
tattoo.
if you saved this and
No, this is fine. I'm just
This is
displaying my
okay.
tattoo.
okay.
Uh,
what no? Like,
Yeah,
what is-
tell us about your tattoo. What's the story?
My
behind it?
and what is written first?
yeah, my
Show us.
it says, vibrating hearts have made me immortal. It was
Vibrating hearts. have
vibrating
made-
hearts have made me immortal.
Okay.
So, at the age of 16,
You had me at vibrating.
no. The story behind my tattoo
Vibrating.
was no. I told you one of my best friends, Dikshima. She shout out to Dicky. She
I still remember I beat you in that English test once. I mean, I used it a lot. Yeah. She was a class topper.
yeah,
And
she's
I
very
just
good in
joined the
English.
school and I was like, English test, boom. Whoa! She's just behind me and I'm like, whoa! Paper
Mic
drop.
drop.
Paper drop.
But she's actually very good in English.
Yeah.
She's
She's
actually-
next level, bro.
she-
And like, you know, that thing I told you about, NLU?
Yeah.
It was that kind of happiness that I had. It was
But
amazing.
she, you know, her birthday comes in September and mine comes in
21st.
October.
October.
Yeah, mine's coming in on 26th of October.
Okay.
Oh,
So
we have two birthday October month.
who else is there? You?
This one yesterday he just told me.
अरे अच्छा तेरा तो अभी गया. I said,
Dude,
come
we're
in.
getting a cake after this. bro.
Come in.
Yeah, I am actually.
Are you, is he going for a party?
He is getting another cake. Just try to understand.
Yeah.
He's eating another kind of cake tonight.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, coming back. Yeah. You will say.
Tattoo. Yeah.
And we're gonna cut this out.
She
Yeah.
she wrote this line
We
for
might
me.
not.
No.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, his mom was gonna watch. My mom was gonna watch.
Yeah. She wrote this line for me, vibrating hearts and made me immortal. And I didn't give her any gift on her birthday. So I was like, let me give this probably.
Oh.
So I'm not even sure that if she remembers this or not. If you don't remember this, I'll kill you. Literally, I'll kill you.
That's a deep gift, man.
Yeah.
Like, it's
Bro,
a
she's-
permanent gift.
Yeah, she's always been a very important part of my life. She's always such a support man. Shout out to all my childhood friends, like Diksha was there, Aman Lal is there. This is another Aman. There's another Aman,
Yeah.
the bodybuilder. We have my best
He's
friend.
bodybuilding right now.
Yeah, he's
Was he
getting
doing
into
boxing?
no, he's getting into fitness and all, not bodybuilding. So
Fitness as in calisthenics.
no, he was actually competing for some positions like the
Physique.
fitness freak and all. He's
Okay.
getting into.
Now
that's
I
the-
am doing mixed martial arts and I'm doing learning boxing. I was like,
He
might
used
be
to learn.
boxing
He used to
as
learn boxing while we
Yeah,
were in
yeah,
school. You know? So yeah, that's it. But
well. Shout bro. This is
shout
your
outs.
time.
This is shout outs
Tab
to
tak you find
all
something.
my homies. Dikshima is there. Then shout out to Gandhar. He's another best friend of mine.
Okay.
See, luckily I've had this Aman Lal, Aman
Aman
Khurana. Okay, I have Gandhar Sharma. What's your name?
Sing.
Yeah, Gandhar Singh. Okay, so Gandhar is there. Then there's Monica,
Monica.
Vishal Day. Okay, Aman Lal is there. I've mentioned Aman so many times now.
Yeah.
Then Abhay is there.
He's feeling all the love.
Yeah, he has all my love.
Getting a boner somehow. We're like, where's this coming from?
And
Coming from.
that's all. And Anubhav, Karan,
I just think
all
about
this.
we had boners. It's like whenever somebody misses us.
Okay, have you found any embarrassing picture yet?
Yeah, he has found something.
Found
So, the name.
every time I think of you, I have to remind myself that if you wanted to talk to me, you would.
The name.
I can't take any names, man. Come on.
You have taken so many names.
Yeah.
But I
Yeah.
can't take
No
that
shout
one.
out for.
Yeah, it's since when? Bro, that's from 2015, man.
We do our research.
Yeah.
It's
We're thorough.
2015,
See,
but
you took your precautions.
yeah.
Just
but-
by the way, these are the people he shouted out to.
Yeah.
We'll post a picture.
All my family, yeah. That's
And this is a very close knitted family. I could have been a part of this.
He
but,
was a part of it for 1.5 months.
I was just passing by. I
Little
did a
cameo.
little cameo.
Little
yeah.
cameo, yeah.
But great people, like really nice.
Very good people.
Yeah. Anyway, you
So,
were saying
the
something.
name.
There's no name. There's-
Come on, man.
that person is nameless. That
Chris
person is,
Rao.
yeah.
See, even in school he was a
Yeah.
Chris Rao.
Bruno Mars. Best
Singer.
singer of the world. Miss you.
This
Yeah.
love I got.
And there you had a boner.
What? Never had a boner.
Never
You
had
never had-
I said,
That's a problem.
I said never had a boner while looking at something like that. Like if someone has written Chris Brown over my back, I'm not gonna get a boner over that. Man, what?
I miss you.
most of these remarks are about bad boys.
Hashtag boner.
Hashtag boner.
Dika?
Okay, that's you.
Yes, like that. Those were the days when I was a kid. Long days, long hair. I miss my long
Just don't care.
Long hair coming soon, by the way. Arey. I miss my long hair, man.
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah.
Bro, Bika, what are those hogger? Come on.
What?
Hogger. There must be something, no?
You can find something interesting.
Yeah, we're looking for a story here. Okay, what's this? Fan art?
Yeah, it's
Who made it? Any shout outs?
yeah. Shout out to Trit Sharma.
That's a very
Trit.
trippy name.
Yeah,
Trith.
he's a one hell of an artist, man. He made this sketch for me, and he gave me very good artist. Please follow him. Trit Sharma, very good sketch artist, man.
Like,
Very talented.
yeah.
He's our school junior, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah, he's a school junior.
what song were you recording here? What's the story?
I was doing the video for Stupid Love Hindi version. Stupid Love Hindi version I was doing, and yeah, we were on the
Stupid Love.
Stupid Love Hindi version I was doing. We were gonna shoot the video, so a friend of mine he took my picture while I was candid. That's completely candid. While I was gonna take, I was adjusting the mic so that we could shoot. So he took a very good picture. It's a very nice picture.
Yeah.
Very candid.
Okay, I think you found something. Share with the class with them.
What favor you make you want?
It's not embarrassing. It's
Why
something
not?
good.
Like good lines.
Yeah.
So lines. तेरी हर एक चीज को याद किया करते हैं, उस दिल लगी को रोज जिया करते हैं, पहले तुझे भूल जाने के लिए पिया करते थे, अब तेरी याद को भुलाने के लिए पिया।
क्या बात है। वाह।
जैसे मैंने भी लिखा है
हाँ।
इसके हाथ चूम लो। Again.
So this.
This is Dr. Zeus.
तेज हो रहा।
No, that's
So
his
you are promoting
album. Yeah. By the way, his album is out now. Global Injection full album is out now.
Go for it.
Go for
buy
it.
it.
It's good.
This is the
You
cover
buy
of your first album.
No, this was a song that I did. Reality. So
Reality.
some a friend of mine, she made this cover for me. She was like, "Looks good. Should keep it." Okay, thank you.
Works.
It works.
Yeah. So
Oh,
I think
sure.
we should wrap it up right about now.
Yeah. So
Because otherwise our camera will shut and we won't have.
I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again, to see